Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
rock all night. Work it in the middle.
sunlight. I wanna
Rock all night. Work it in the middle.
sunlight. I wanna
Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my lashes. Everyone has been asking me how do I put on my lashes, you know, what are the basic steps. So I'm just going to give you a rundown on how I would put on my lashes. So I got this lash from Shad's Monique. It came in a little cute little box like this, and you know, them have a natural look of one for them. Yeah. See, because you want your natural lash to blend in with the lashes, this is optional, not necessarily. Your lash might not be in sync with the lash that you put on, so you want to kind of curve your lashes. Curve them so that when you put on the lash, your lash is not sticking down, like pointing down. You want them kind of curve upwards. As I said, it's optional. This is not the first time that I'm wearing it. Girl, I forget our money's worth. So if that means wearing it 100 times, that's what I'm gonna do. So the first thing that you want to do when you have the lash, you want to test it on your eyes to see if it needs to be trimmed, right? Practice first to see if the length is fine. If not, you snip the ends. So to me, it looks fine. So this is the glue that I use, which is also from Shad's Monique, and it says Super Strip Lash Adhesive. Right? Alright, so you want to ensure that the glue is on the entire strip. Okay. For some persons, they would use a tweezer to apply the lash, but I don't really use a tweezer. I use my hands because I really don't know how people use tweezer with it. I just feel like a handicap when I use a tweezer. So you're gonna wait until it dries, and not entirely dry. You want it semi-dried so that you know, when you stick it on, it's not wet to smudge any of the glue on your eyelid. You want it semi-wet so that when you stick it, it's not entirely dry, so you can still adjust it if you stick it on the wrong part, or if you want to adjust it, it won't really mess up your eye. Some persons would blow on it while waiting on it to dry, and while others would probably use a blow dryer, but I normally just blow on it. I would just hold the end to the middle, right, like this, and I would just look up and just stick it in the middle at first, right? So once it's sticked in the middle, then I would just start pushing it down elsewhere. Okay, so for this part, sometimes the end to the crease doesn't really stick. Get some more of the lash glue right here. Try getting it on the part that's not sticking, right? So once it sticks, you want to apply pressure on the lash as well as your real lashes. So just hold it in. pressure on both. So that's it. That's basically how I would put on my lashes. You know, nothing too extra, just yeah, follow those steps and you will be good. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to share, comment, and if you tried it and it worked, let me know. Bye.